Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson about using the Ghostlet library for automatic translation practically. Let's get started by installing that library using the pip package at the first cell. Pip is a package manager in Python programming language that you can use to install libraries simply. Just type pip install followed by the name of that library, exactly as we will do with the Ghostlet library here inside the Jupyter notebook to install that library before using it simply. By using the pip package manager to install that library using this command pip install Ghostlet library, pip install followed by the name of that library, in this case you will see that library is installed successfully on your device now inside that Jupyter notebook, so you can use it after that by importing that library or importing any function from that library using the import statement or the import keyword with the from keyword. Now let's learn how to import that library, and after that we are gonna translate from a language to another language. Let me show you that. You can see here our first program is to translate a text or the string data type. Python is so powerful using the Ghostlet library. And you can see we imported that library first. You must import it first to work with that library and to work with functions from that library. The import statement followed by the name of the library called Ghostlet, as you can see, and after that we assigned a string data type to a variable called inserted text, and you can call it any name you wish instead of using this name, but try to put a meaningful name or a descriptive name for the value of that variable. The value of that variable is Python is so powerful. You can put any string data type in between double quotes or single quotes, or you can use triple quotes for multi-line string data type, and you can insert multi-line string data type here to translate it. After that we use the function, we call the function called Ghostlet from the Ghostlet library or the Ghostlet module. Call that function with capital G after the dot notation after the name of the module or the name of that library called Ghostlet. We assign this as a value for a variable called new.js. That's it, simply. You can name it any name you wish also. You can name the variable any name you wish instead of using new.js. This is as an example. After that we use the name of that variable refers to the operation of the Ghostlet after using the Ghostlet inside it, or after assigning the Ghostlet function, the calling of that function from the module called Ghostlet to this variable, we used the name of the variable followed by the dot notation and the translate function. The translate function from that library or that module, you can use it with that module, and it has two parameters as you can see. The first parameter is our text or our string data type here, the text that we want to translate, and after that you will see the extension or you will see the abbreviation for that language that we want to translate to it. We want to translate this language, we want to translate this text from the English language to the Spanish language. That's it, so easy and so simple as you can see. Put the abbreviation for the language as the second argument for the translate function here. To see the Spanish translation for this string data type here or this text, hit shift enter or shift return or run the cell. And also you can change the language for any language, any valid language in the Ghostlet library. For example, you can change from Spanish to French if you want to translate from English to French, and you will see the output for that operation. So simple and so easy as you can see. And you can change to Spanish again or Arabic or any language you wish, any valid language you wish for this operation here. And you can insert any text instead of using Python is so powerful here. You can insert another variable and you can set a text as a value or a string as a value for that variable you created, and you can translate it using the same way. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next lesson.